This is a Swytch bike.
This is a Swytch bike.
No, this is a Swytch bike.
All right, any bike can be a Swytch bike. You just need a switch kit. It's lightweight,
Handheld, fits to your handlebars, and boosts your ride with electric power.
It connects easily and is instantly removable.
With Swytch, you get a bike and an e-bike all in one.
I'm Oliver.
and I'm Dimitro,
We invented the Swytch kit for people that love their bikes.
like our friend Tom.
Tom loves his bike. I mean, he really loves his bike. A bit too much. But he wishes they spent more time together on the road. So we gave Tom a Swytch kit. And now, they go everywhere together.
In 2017, our original kit raised over $500,000 on Indiegogo. Since then, we've delivered to over 30 countries, and now over 3,000 people have ridden over 1 million miles on their Swytch kits.
Now we're back with a new and improved Swytch kit.
Smaller and lighter than ever before.
Here's how it works.
As you cycle, the pedal sensor detects your cadence and sends the signal to the power pack. The control system calculates the optimum power required and delivers it to the motor in the front wheel, giving you all the extra power you need.
We build the front motor wheel for you in any size. Just take off the old wheel and fit the new motor wheel. Then, click on the power pack and you're good to go.
Choose between 5 different power levels for complete control.
Go further and faster without breaking a sweat.
250 watts of power will flatten any hills, and a single charge will last for 50 kilometers.
Lightweight, durable. We've tested on the track to last for years on the road.
Since our last campaign, we've not only built a great new product, we've built a great team.
Which means better support for you. We want to live in a world where everyone chooses to cycle. That's why we're back on Indiegogo, offering you the best possible price so that you can be the next to make the switch. So place your order now.
And then join us for the ride.